Hi guys, Fernand Raymond here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I go about doing on-page SEO. This is a site we built for the IT support industry by ClickDo and focusing on the UK business owners. So this site was built by our web development team. Buddhika actually built our site with Kasun and Praveen did the images. So this site is already built and done in a manner that you can see the site is pretty comprehensive. All the areas of IT support services, cybersecurity, all those things are mentioned. So the content I sent it, and of course a lot of the AI is used to create the intent to get this site initial to get about and online. So the site is done. Once that done, but in this video, what I want to show you how the on-page SEO is done. And once this is done, what I could do is like I'll get the site access, I'll log into the dashboard. Till then, I would never log into the site dashboard. And once I do this one, I come to site dashboard. So this is the site dashboard. It was using the Elementor and the team builders to build about it. That's what Buddhika does it. It's been built. So it doesn't have any SEO plugins. First things first, what I would do, I normally go to settings and which I will, of course, show you over here what I've already done, because I put the www here because normally when it's built, sometimes if they don't have it, you want to make sure I would get it. That's one of the first things online on pages device I do. And then I will name the site. Then I will name the site with IT support online, the brand name. Later I can always change. So very next thing what I would do is I go to add plugins, and then I'll upload the all-in-one SEO plugin, which is one of the easiest. There are iOS SEO plugins, so many other plugins are there, but this plugin is pretty free version is get the job done initially. So I want to show in this video how can you easily get this part done. And now I activate it. Once I activate it, it's taking a little time for some reason. Get started. So once activated, I make it. I'll put it on about other, and then I'll say IT support services. That's the business category basically. So that's IT support services, and then I have the home page title tag, which I would write IT support services in London, IT support London, IT support services in London. So IT support services in London for UK businesses, right? So I'll literally get like for UK small businesses. We'll try to get for small business at the moment because the big businesses has their in-house team. So that I say looking for IT support services in London. Get the best IT experts to help all everything IT, remote support, I'll keep it short normally, but this is the homepage meta description which I'm going to give, which I will show you once I even done that one, how I would actually have a look and do that once, right? So these on page SEO initial writing. So the content to the page, I support online, number wise, I wouldn't really put at the moment. So I'll keep this empty. Contact time, which can always be customer support. Then you have to upload a logo. So if I have a logo in the media library, what I would do is like I'll upload it from here, but it's actually a fresh size, so I don't have a logo to upload. So normally, otherwise, I would give it a logo. So when you share the homepage, it nicely picks up. So that's done. Save and continue. If you have the pro version, you get all these things, but if not, it's not it. Save and continue, and It shows exactly how it's showing. Edit the meta description. I can also edit it here. Now I get the idea. As I said it, now I can hit up to 160 characters, where actually it shows on the Google when people even search. I try to stick to that one. You can go a little more or less, but it's actually better to even showcase and have exactly that amount of characters what normally Google shows. But Google differentiates and picks up from the site what they feel like appropriate to show for their search audience. Looking for IT support services in London. Get the best IT experts to help you. Just IT support software installations. Maintenance, and I can of course get keywords from the front maintenance and mm, yeah, so I pretty much got to the level I wanted. Multiple authors, yes. Redirect attachment pages, yes, that's done. That's pretty much done. Pages you for the first page, which is okay. Save and continue, and I'll do it later. I don't need to get the paid version. Skip this section. So are pretty good. If you upgrade to the pro version, you get these kind of things. Now I go to dashboard. That's how you would do literally the on-page SEO for the home page, and pretty easy to get that part done. And once it's done, and of course if it will pick up on errors and the things that if it has, but that's the pretty much the way to do the on-page SEO for home page. It's pretty easy to do it. Shows this one, and then what you can do is like complete site check audit. You can click it, and then I would most probably do is like go to this tiny thing. So the images does not have the ALT tags, which means images should ideally be downloaded, namely with the keywords, added the ALT tags and uploaded. So this part I will talk to Kasun on doing one performance wise. These are things that one at ClickDo would do. He would just get into these things to perfect level. So the site, even the speed wise, all really helps. Just rec listing seems to be enabled on these servers. So these are the things that the server team as well as the experts could actually do does to make sure it's done. I'll show in another video how this will be already done, but that's the core on page SEO elements that needs to be done to get the site going. So likewise, so that's for the home page mainly, and this should be showing over here IT support service in London for the so-called businesses. Likewise, I will get all the pages done, and the approach is you can check the site for all and each and every page how this is being done, so that it actually helps. And then it comes to the internal link building from the pages, from the posts, from the articles with the relevances. So if you're very new, internal link is like something. So okay, this is a blog post, you can see this is an internal link. Likewise, according to relevancy, many internal links will be done, and that helps the overall SEO of the silo structuring as well of the website. So this is the very basic video about how any website buildings process happens, and on page SEO is done at ClickDo when the guys build the website. Me as one of our SEO consultant, have a look at the site and then make sure the on page SEO is done to make it already perfect and good to go. If you have any questions, drop the comments below. I will cover another few videos about on-page SEO if you want to see on different industries, or how I do the keyword research to go in depth to identify what keywords to do it, as well as publication. Let me know in the comments below if you want any on-page SEO related videos to be covered.